Hello again, watch fans. This is Charles Walhingford back again with another watch review, and today we have the Grand Seiko Spring Drive SGBA125, also known as a Blizzard. What I have next to the Blizzard is the Snowflake, and I want to show you the subtle differences between the two. These watches are basically identical, but what you'll see are the differences in the dial, and there's slight differences. Here is the Blizzard dial. Note the texture in the dial there, and this is the Snowflake dial. Notice the texture there, a softer type texture in the dial. Here again is a closer look at the Snowflake dial. Again, it has a whiter, brighter face, and then the Blizzard has a grayish white face with a more aggressive texture. These watches are identical, and I have previously did a review on the Snowflake, but if you want to get into the technical, let's get into the technical. This is a Grand Seiko historical collection. The case and bracelet are high intensity titanium that is brushed and polished, making for a very light watch. Very comfortable. We can see here the sapphire crystal display case back displaying the 9R65 spring drive movement with 72-hour power reserve. Now this watch's case is 40 millimeters. Again, it's in high intensity titanium. And of course the front main crystal is sapphire also. It has a water resistance of 100 meters. Let me show you an extra touch of detail the average person just wouldn't pay attention to. The stem, the crown stem, is pretty wide and thick. It's just a little extra touch of detail to ensure that watch will last a lifetime. Okay, now let's see how this watch looks on the wrist. I think this watch looks perfect. Absolutely perfect. When I say perfect, it's because it can go in almost any type of dress style. This watch, like the Snowflake, has a perfect balance of sport and class. Here's a closer look at the texture I was talking about in comparison to the Snowflake. Also, we will have double stick markers, applied stick markers at the 12 o'clock position. Unlike the Snowflake, what will have a triangular marker for 12 o'clock. Again, the bracelet is in titanium, and the clasp is a folding clasp. Very easy to manipulate, and again, very comfortable. One thing I forgot to mention, this watch is limited to 1,000 pieces. And of course, saving the best for last, looking at that spring drive smooth movement. It's nothing like it, nothing smoother. I promise you, I will have a spring drive one day. Ladies and gentlemen, if you are interested in this watch, the Blizzard or the Snowflake, please come down to Little Treasury Jewelers in Gambrills, Maryland, or find them on the web at www.littletreasury.com.